Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this section, what we're going to talk about ChatGPT, what it is, how you can use it, and really get an fundamental understanding of the magical genie in the bottle that this AI tool actually is. Today we're going to learn what we can do to utilize it for our jobs, our personal projects, creative endeavors, really anything that you can think of. Let's hop into the info. First of all, what is ChatGPT? It's an AI language model trained on a massive amount of text and data that generates natural language responses in a conversational style. Something that, definitely from now you can't live without. We're in the future and this is the future. This tool and others like it will be seamlessly integrated into our computers, smartphones, and eventually becoming full-time AI assistants in our life. So if you have a problem with your wife or your girlfriend, AI co-pilot or personal assistant is going to know you, your demographic, your spending habits, your emotional tendencies, who you are, all your personality traits. This is the first wave of what this is going to be. So understanding it now is going to do wonders for you down the road. But really, we're all going to have these personal AI assistants, and they're going to be able to speak to us just like a human does. But the difference is it's plugged into billions of pieces of content all around the world, just like a superhuman brain. So it knows a lot more than the average person knows. That's going to be the future of it. It's going to be custom tailored to you, and it's going to be able to offer you any information and advice that you might need. So the main benefits of this are, of course, the first one, saving time, and saving time. That's the big takeaway with all these AI tools. It's what it does is it's not going to necessarily be bad in the sense that it will change people's jobs and be a radical disruptor. It's going to be a massive time saver. And what else that leads to is it's going to also allow for you as a creative or business professional to extend into fields outside of your normal expertise. So you can say yes to new jobs, even though jobs will change, some will be taken away, some will be added. At the end of the day, if you know how to use these tools on a fundamental level and for your specific job, then you can use it to say yes to more gigs, more jobs, and make more money. If it extends beyond what you would normally not be able to do, something like ChatGPT, it allows for you to extend beyond your general field of expertise. And also, it allows you to quickly get ideas off the ground and reiterate much more effectively and efficiently. First part of brainstorming and creativity, of getting your ideas out and remixing them and brainstorming, is very time consuming. With something like this, what we're going to learn to do is quickly reiterate and create new ideas. So with that said, let's talk about the main types of outputs that really help to categorize the abilities of ChatGPT into different categories. So the first one that we're going to cover is synthesizing info. And this is one of the huge parts of this tool. You're able to summarize massive amounts of content, massive amounts of data in a clear and concise way. Next up is content creation and copy. This is where we're going to generate brand new content on a specific topic for a specific purpose. After that, we're going to talk about learning and research. We're going to be able to get questions answered super effectively and super quickly without wasting any time. And lastly, we're going to talk about coding. So generating code, info on programming concepts, APIs, and debugging. So now that you see what we're going to get into in this course, the next step we're going to talk about is why Google is different from ChatGPT and how it matters for you.